I'm going to be showing you how to download Honkai Star Rail in your MacBook. So here's the current situation for downloading and playing Honkai Star Rail on a Mac. So Honkai Star Rail does not have a native Mac OS installer, so you cannot download it directly and run it like a Mac app. So what you can do is use Windows on your Mac. So this method lets you download the real PC version and play normally. So if your Mac has Intel, so if you're using an Intel-based Mac, you can use Boot Camp Assistant, which is built into Mac OS to install Windows on your MacBook. So just boot into Windows and go to the official Honkai Star Rail download page, where just use any of the browser that you have and search for Honkai Star Rail. After you're here, this is the official website right here. Just go ahead and tap there. So once you're here, you should see something like this. So you have this option right here that says download via Hoyo Play. You have the option to download some other things. It'll tell you right here. You can either download it via Hoyo Play, which will help you download it. It's like a different method for using Honkai Star Rail. You can also try using Epic Game Store if you already have that. So in any way, after you download Boot Camp, you can just install it like any other Windows game. But also remember that it requires at least 128 GB free disk space. So make sure that you have a lot of storage before you download this game. So there you go. This is one of the most famous methods that will definitely work if you have Intel. But if not, then you can just try using your App Store and search for Honkai Star Rail, and you can use it like an iPad game. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.